Hi friends, I'm Kumar Singh. Welcome to my channel. I am a Sri Lankan, but presently I'm working in Dubai as a service engineer, my own company. My company is all kind of home appliances service, repair and maintenance. In this field, I have more than 35 years experience. I have got diploma from German Technical College, Colombo in Sri Lanka, as same field. Also followed all kind of home appliances, maintenance and repair factory course in South Korea, Changwon City LG factory. Also, I am happy to say that I have taken courses related to the repair of electrical, electronics, home appliances. Have a good experience in it. I was work in Sri Lanka, Doha, Qatar, Dubai, South Korea and continue to work with my experience and knowledge. Through this channel, I hope that the main purpose not to make money. Share to my knowledge with you. If you learn something extra, I got some idea from my videos, that's my goal. If you like my video, kindly like and comments. Also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.